Hello, my dear students. This is Poonam Gupta, your maths teacher. In this video, I will explain operations on rational numbers. In this topic, I will cover addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers, multiplication of rational numbers, and division of rational numbers. So, I'll start with addition of rational numbers. In addition, there are two cases. Case 1, when the given rational numbers have the same denominator, and case 2, when the denominators of the given rational numbers are different. So, case 1, when denominators are same. So, I am taking one example. Add -2 upon 11 and 7 upon 11. You can see here that denominators are same. So if denominators are same, so you can solve the numerators directly in this way. -2 plus 7 upon 11, it will become plus minus 7 minus 2, it will become 5 upon 11. So this is the answer. One more example, that is, if you are given that -3 upon 7 and 2 upon -7. You can see that here also denominators are same, but signs are different. So first of all, you remember when you are adding two rational numbers, so write them in the standard form. -3 upon 7 plus this minus you will write in the numerator. So it will become -2 upon 7. Now you can see denominators are same. Then you will add. It will become -3 -2 upon 7, and the answer will be -5 upon 7. In this way you will solve it. And case second, if denominators are different. See, I am taking one example first. Add 3 upon 7 and 2 upon 3. So you can see that here denominators are not same. So first of all, you will make the denominators same. So for that you will find the LCM, and LCM will be LCM of 7 and 3 is equal to 21. Now you will make the denominator same. So 3 upon 7 into 3 into 3, it will become 9 upon 21, and 2 upon 3 into 7 into 7, it will become 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 21. Now you can add 9 upon 21 plus 14 upon 21, it will become 23 upon 21. So this is the answer. In this way you will do. After that, I will explain you subtraction of rational numbers. Subtraction of rational numbers. Here also in the same way as you have done in addition, that case 1, if denominators are same and if denominators are different. So I am taking one example. If denominators are same, so case 1, subtract 8 upon 11 from 15 upon 11. So what will be the answer? 15 upon 11 minus 8 upon 11. You know that first we write 15 upon 11. What you want to subtract? 8 upon 11. And you know that denominators are same. So you can write the answer directly. 15 minus 8, it will become 7 upon 11. This is the answer. And case 2, if denominators are different. Here subtract 1 upon 7 from 3 upon 4. So you can see that denominators are different. So first of all you will find the LCM of denominators. So LCM of 7 and 4 is, what is the LCM? 28. So now you will make the denominator same. So it will become, you want this 7 is equal to 28. So what you will do? You will multiply this number with 4 and with the same number you will multiply numerator. It will become 4 upon 28. And 3 upon 4, it will also become, with 7 you will multiply this. 7 3s are 21 and 4 7s are 28. Now you want to subtract 3 upon 4. From 3 upon 4 you want to subtract 1 upon 7. So what will you do? That 21 upon 28 minus 4 upon 28. So it will become 17 upon 28. In this way you can find the answer. One more I am taking. Subtract minus 3 upon 10 minus 7 upon 15. So here also you can see that denominators are different. So first of all you will take the LCM. What will be the LCM? LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. Now you will make the denominators same. So minus 3 upon 10 into, what number you will use? 3. It will become 3 3s are 9 minus 9, 10 3s are 30. And in the same way, minus 7 upon 15 into 2 into 2. Now you solve. Minus 9 upon 30 minus 14 upon 30, and answer will be minus 23 upon 30. In this way you will find the answer. So the main thing is this: if denominators are different, First of all, you will make the denominator same and then you will subtract. Now I will explain you multiplication of rational numbers. Here I am taking one example. See, 12 upon minus 5 into 15 upon minus 8. So when you multiply two rational numbers or more rational numbers, so always remember, first you write the numbers in standard form. So when you will write the numbers in standard form, it will become minus 12 upon 5 and it will become minus 15 upon 8. Now after this you will multiply. Before multiplication, if you solve it, you will solve. Here 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. And when you will multiply, it will become minus and minus. The sign will be positive here. 3 3s are 9 upon 2. So this is the answer in this way. First of all, you will write the numbers in standard form. Then you will solve it if you can solve it. And then you multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator and you will get the final answer. Then if you are multiplying more than two numbers, so in that case minus 2 upon 3 into 9 upon 16 into 8 upon 27. So here you are already given all the numbers in standard form. So what will you do? You will just see if you can simplify these, you will simplify. Otherwise you will multiply all the numerators and then all the denominators. So you can see here 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 2 1s are 2 and here also 2 1s are 2. So in numerator only 1 1 1. So answer will be 1, but here you can see negative sign is there. You will write negative sign here. And in denominator 3, 1 and 3. So 3 3s are 9. Your final answer will be minus 1 upon 9. See, one more example I am taking. Minus 6 upon 33 into 22 upon 9 into minus 15 upon 4. Here also you are given all the numbers in standard form. So only you will solve the sum if it is possible. Otherwise you will multiply all numerators and all denominators. See here 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. And this 2 and this 2 is also cancelled. So your answer will be, you can see 2 negative sign. 2 negative sign means it will become positive and only in numerator 5 is there and in denominator only 3 is there. So your final answer is 5 upon 3. In this way you can multiply 2 or more than 2 rational numbers. After this I will explain you division of rational numbers. division of rational numbers. So here what will you do? First of all, you should know how to take reciprocal of the numbers. See, you know that reciprocal of 5 upon 7 is equal to 7 upon 5. So when you are dividing two rational numbers, that time you should know what is the reciprocal of the second rational number. Only then you can solve it. See, I am taking one example that divide 10 upon 21 by 2 upon 3. I am taking one example. So see, when you divide two rational numbers, so first number will be written as it is, and then you will change this sign. This sign will become multiply, and second rational number, you will write the reciprocal of second rational number. It will become 3 upon 2. First thing what you have done, that you have changed the sign, means this division sign will become sign of multiplication, and you will write the reciprocal of second rational number. Then you will solve as you have done in multiplication. If you can simplify it, you will simplify. 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So answer is 5 upon 7. In this way you will do it. Now I am taking one more example. You are given that minus 24 upon minus 35 divided by minus 4 upon 5. Now how will you divide? That first of all you will write this minus 24 upon minus 35, and then this sign will become this sign, and what will be the reciprocal? 5 upon minus 4. Now after this you will solve it, but before that you will write these numbers in standard form. So what will be the standard form of this? Minus and minus will be cancelled. 24 upon 35, and here this minus will be written in numerator. Minus 5 upon 4. Now you will solve. 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, 4 1s are 4, and 4 6 are 24. So your final answer is one negative sign. So in final answer also you will write negative sign. 6 upon 7. So now this is your final answer, minus 6 upon 7. Thank you for watching this video.